cannot speak Shona anymore, guys. What is Shona? You want to go to my concrete? You can't ufwe. I melt my chia. I can't melt my half tells it. Eh, beer got ufwe. As a kune guruva. Mishika Shikairiko. Guys, Mishika Shikairiko, I didn't know. Malawi. Sakakuno, guys, we've got so many motorcycles. So many motorcycles that they're using as a mode of transport. Just like some parts of Zimbabwe, like in Yamapanda and Chipinge, especially in Maparadzi. These people, they also eat sugarcane in Bambaila. I didn't know. Guys, for the people, please bear with me. I cannot breathe. I cannot sarcastic. I cannot vocabulary it. You see? One thing I've noticed about Malawi people, they can build jiraolos that looks like Mount Jericho. You see? Yes. My English is expiring, guys. I cannot survive. Malawi, even kuno kumavhiri vanawo ekuekera akuna zvinhu zvakambosiyana one. Everything is almost similar. Serious. Mapotiwo vanawo futi. Even zviraidzo dzakaita semadhasti vanadzo futi. Hakuna. The difference iripo ndeyekuti munomu kana tiri mutaona, I don't know. That's the same thing nekumozambique kwatikaenda. There are some parts of Mozambique obviously that are very beautiful, but unfortunately we pass through areas that are not really well built. However, here in Malawi we are in the midst of Lilongwe, so we are seeing places. I'm sure we'll be showing you a lot of things. You will be amazed. You will be what? I'm suffocating. English come here. Right? You'll be amazed. They also have second hand, third hand fridges. I didn't know. It's all over. It's all over, you people of this nation. They also have it outside the car wash. Travel with me, you people of this nation. You people of Zimbabwe. Look at this. One thing I'm amazed of is that everywhere I pass through, they have Puma garage, they have Puma save station. Here in Malawi, they also have ShopRite, but in Zimbabwe we don't have ShopRite. However, we have Pick and Pay, and we have OK, and we have Choppies. They don't have Choppies. We have Choppies. Right. Where are we going right now, driver? Ekaya. Ekasho. That's where the biggest shopping mall is. Yes. Oh. Petrodo. They also have Verisa and other cars. See, this queuing thing is just hereditary. Africans, we are all queues in mind. See, this car line is for the fuel save station. My Jesus Christ. Do you hear me? Do you hear yourself? I remember when I was at the border, the immigration officer was saying, do you hear yourself? Guys, I will tell you a story time. They're also doing the roads here, just like what we do in Zimbabwe. I'm telling you, all over the world of African, some of the African countries, they are doing roads as well. You see, I'm not even lying to you. They are also watering the roads. they are watering. Guys, you see, that one is a Jojo tank of the car watering the road of the Malawi and graveling the road of the Malawi and for shoring. These people, they are amazing. They are amazing like us Zimbabweans. They for sure the water, the gravel, they put dust too. They are creating two ways. They are copying from us. Yes, we are their leaders of the roads and making. They are trying to make a two-way like the Beatrice road. Yeah. Guys, I was going to broken English. I'm starting madi. I'm starting maguta nini. Mira muone zve. Ichi ndechekuyera chiku. Kuyera mabarwe vane skero. Haungo kupi mabagwe akaikira. Iskero yemabagwe. Kureva kuti kuna mabagwe kune zhara. Havana mabagwe. These people havana mabagwe. Mabagwe akazara murodhi nechikero. Maybe ndo zvandofanira kusokusa zvikero. Sikero chaiyo because kune mumwe unowana zvakawanda. Maengineer akazara murodhi. Vari kutogadzira bridge. Vari kurima mabagwe. Unozana kusiyana kweupenyu zvokwadi. Uyo mumwe ari kurima mabagwe akachiita mvura nekuwa maengineer ari uko akabata pulani. Kusiyana kweupenyu ikoko. Nodii. Vanotoriwo nezvo zvokupomba mavhiri kana waekera. Hakuna kusina Pentecost che. Kana majiraoro akangofanana but kuti I think majiraoro avo vanomati toko mudenga. Midhudhudhu vanayo zve. Midhudhudhu iti stand by. Kasi kuti kana misika ikangozara namasofa apashe vanhu vaMwari ariko kuno hakusi kwanaekera kwega kunongoitwa kwana Bruno Furnitures vanazvo zvimwe izvi Bruno Furnitures uriko kuno Malawi owanikwa pose Bruno masofa pose kuti Bruno ne warehouse ava vachiri pashe zvavo vachapindavo vamozviona. Yo misika ndofunga yo avo vanhu vanotengesa timber yerufing ndotonzi mbare yavo ndofunga kudai inenge ine zvinhu zvakati wandei nekuti ndotonase kutoti musika yakati wanda yekereyo yetimber ndozvandiri kutoona kana Mwari woko kwangu kokwadza ndingokuradza Malawi. You guys, I have to show you. Why should I not show you? I have to show you. Muonewo muti ndandina chero Malawi. You are with me in the spirit of Rome. Mapila vanawo futi kunuko zvokutongo ndinakidza zvangu. Malawi raudo. Vanosanganisa nezvimwe zvinhu masanokuwandera mamwe auta 9,000 ai kulete makira magrapes aenda magrapes saka sikitini ichi mari 3 ndomadeni yotenga ndomadeni tomatoes. You want to put tomatoes? Where can we buy onions?
So, do you sell fish? There's fish here, dry fish. Yeah.
Yes. Kwese hakuna kusina kunokumbirwa zvokwadi. Watching the right, tiriona 50 kwacha iya manje.
since.
Oh. Huh? 20 kwacha, Reserve Bank of Malawi.
So who is really
the
command?
What?
Chief.
Chief Goma.
Traditional chief.
Because what the? What the fuck? Limo! Oh!
Where are they going, the students?
They're coming from school, they're going to school.
Without sessions?
Yeah, even our Tarisa.
So how many terms do you have? 3 terms. First term starts from January, ends to April.
Yeah, ndo majira orochaiwa. Rakaina mdenga washisha upinji
What about what day of the year do you celebrate independence? 25 what? 25 December? The Independence Day?
No.
14 March. Okay. You'll be celebrating how many years? Which year was Malawi?
8.